We got an old Ranger 16 gauge shotgun. This one is actually a Stevens 520, a John Browning design. It didn't compete with the 12 too good, but it's got the exposed locking bolt on top, and it's a real solid gun that's not prone to any failures. We're fitting to shoot it. Some cans 20 yards away. It's got a 28-inch fixed full choke. Alright, Daddy.
Very good gun.
Did you get them all down there?
I hit it. I see the holes in it. Must be in a hole, but it hit it.
Here, because I accused him of not hitting all the cans, but evidently I had put a buckshot in that next to the last one, and looks like he got one shot in it. Stevens 520. Good gun.